Gold coin prices. Is investing in gold coins worth it? In part 2 of this series, we will discuss gold coin investment options, such as U.S. circulated gold coins and foreign ones. If you want to read the full article now, see the link in the video description. U.S. circulated gold coins. These gold coins are a deeply fascinating and often lucrative aspect of gold investing. Each coin's face value is a mere fraction of its true gold worth, creating a potential gold mine for savvy investors. We will discuss coins of historic value. Bear in mind, the price of these coins may change and likely have increased in value since the publishing of this video. Consider the 1849 to 1854 Liberty Gold Dollar Type 1, with a face value of $1, but a present gold value between $400 to $500 depending on condition. Its successors, the Type 2 and Type 3, circulated from 1854 to 1889, also boast a gold worth within that price range. That's nearly a 400- to 500-fold increase from the original face value. It's clear that the gold content, rather than the face value, is the real treasure in these coins. Turning to the larger denominations, the Liberty Quarter Eagle, in circulation from 1840 to 1907, and the Indian Quarter Eagle, which followed from 1908 to 1929, both have a face value of $2.50. Yet, their gold values are a whopping $2,700 to $2,800. That is many times their original face value. Given these figures, it's reasonable to predict a lucrative market for these circulated gold coins. Their intrinsic gold value, coupled with their historical significance, makes them desirable to both collectors and investors. It's also worth noting that these coins' values are tied to the price of gold, which can fluctuate. Diving into the realm of foreign circulated gold coins, it's intriguing to note that they, much like their U.S. counterparts, hold significantly more value in gold than their face value would suggest. For example, the British sovereign, minted between 1817 and 2007, has a present face value of £1, but a gold value in the range of $600. That's an immense appreciation. Similarly, the French angel franc, minted from 1871 to 1898, and the French rooster franc, minted between 1901 and 1914, both have a face value of 20 francs compared to a gold value of $525 to $550 depending on its condition. The Swiss Helvetia franc, minted from 1897 to 1947, also shares this face and gold value. What these figures reveal is the substantial inherent worth of these coins due to their gold content. Moreover, consider the potential market for these coins. Think about the gold gram values. As the weight increases, so does the value, and these foreign circulated gold coins often weigh several grams. Given these values, it's easy to predict a strong market for foreign circulated gold coins. Whether for investment, collection, or a hedge against inflation, these coins offer immense value. As a savvy investor or collector, keep an eye on these coins. Their underlying gold value, coupled with their historical and numismatic significance, makes them an attractive asset. A great tax advantage means of owning gold coins can be done through a gold IRA. These gold companies have access to greater volume prices, competitive premiums, and a diverse selection. However, finding the right gold IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a gold IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high net worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provides gold IRA as well as private investment options for home storage. See the links in the video description to find the gold IRA company that best serves your needs. In analyzing your gold coin investment, you'll find a diverse range of options, from investment-grade bullion to foreign circulated coins. Each offers unique value. Whatever your choice, anticipate fluctuations in gold prices that could impact your investment. Stay savvy, keep informed, and you'll navigate this precious metal market with confidence and foresight. For even more details on gold coin prices, see part 1 of the series, link in the upper right. Thanks for watching.